The unmistakable sound of the gong has held spiritual significance in Southeast Asia for hundreds of years. Hand-beaten from sheet materials, the labor-intensive shaping and delicate paintwork end in beautiful percussive instruments. Souvenir gongs are often bought for just a couple of dollars, but large, finely tuned gongs made up of the simplest materials can fetch $10,000. So what are gongs actually used for and why are they so expensive? Cheap and expensive is based on the size and the materials of the gongs. If the gong is made up of iron, it would be cheap. Stainless steel will be just a little more expensive. If you want the highest quality and value, it would be made out of brass. The cultural significance of gongs is obvious to ascertain in newborn Ratchathani, a serious city at one end of the Gong Highway, where the world's largest gong towers stand proudly next to the Wat Tham Kuha Savan temple. The utilization of gongs is deeply ingrained in Buddhism and consistent with the Tourism Authority of Thailand. The Gong Highway is liable for supplying most of the country's 30,000 Buddhist temples with their gongs. In the West, gongs became commonplace not only in popular culture but also in meditation studios and symphony orchestras. The most important non-Asian gong manufacturer is Piste, based in Germany. It has been producing gongs since 1906 and its largest gong, an 80-inch symphonic model, retails for around $27,000. This type of flat-face gong, sometimes mentioned as a tam-tam, gives more of a crash sound which is different from the tuned tones of a bossed gong. It are often birthdays, weddings, ordination or any traditional event in Thai culture, any temple-related events or for somebody who wants to form merit or to urge obviate bad luck, they buy gongs and donate them to the temple. If a gong resonates and is long-lasting, if it resonates entirely in your heart, you'll appreciate the sound. The gong sound may be a sound of merit. It is a signal. If elders hear the sound, all of them will put their hands together and make a wish. Wherever the sound is, there'll always be merit. Thai bangers make gongs from sheet material which are then hammered into shape. Tuners absorb and train for years to master their skill before tuning the gong. Once satisfied with the sound, the gong is coated in enamel, ready for intricate artworks to be hand-painted. Bureau Report, Saras News.